To share a web preview or project view of your app in Thunkable, you can use the built-in share feature, which allows you to generate a link that others can open to view or duplicate your project. Start by opening your Thunkable project in the editor. Once your project is loaded, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will find the share icon. This icon is used to manage how your app is shared with other users, including collaborators and viewers. Click the share icon to open the sharing menu. Inside this menu, select the option labeled Share App. This section contains different ways to distribute access to your project depending on your needs, such as viewing or editing permissions. After opening Share App, you will see different sharing options. Choose the read-only link option if you want others to simply view your app without making changes. This is the most commonly used option for sharing a web preview of your project. Once you select the read-only link option, click Generate Link. Thunkable will create a unique URL that points to your project in a view-only format. This link allows others to explore your app structure, screens, and design without being able to modify the original project. After the link is generated, click Copy Link. You can now share this URL with others through messaging apps, email, or any platform of your choice. Anyone who opens the link will be able to see your app in a web-based preview format. It is important to note that this link reflects your current project state. If you make changes to your app later, the shared link will automatically reflect those updates since it is connected to your live project. If you want more control over collaboration, you can also choose the editable copy option instead. This allows other users to duplicate your project and work on their own version independently. Before sharing, it is recommended to preview your app to ensure everything is properly organized and working as expected. This helps ensure that viewers have a smooth experience when opening your shared link. And that's how you share a web preview link of your app in Thunkable. Use the Share App option, generate a read-only link, and distribute it so others can view your project easily through a browser.